Hey, Dewey McDonald here from Guaranty RV. We just got in a 2020 Wolf Creek. It's Northwood, builds Arctic Fox. This is the little sister of camper. It's the 840 model. Come on inside, let's take a peek. These are non-slide versions. So this is a long box. It's right here, you got little storage compartments on here. This actually pulls down to a bunk. You've got a long bench here that makes into a bed. So you got a nice big counter spot. Stainless steel sink right there. Your stereo. It's got a solar panel up on the AC. Here's your control panel right here. You got your 3-burner Furrion with a glass oven right there. Got your fan hood, microwave right there. Storage compartments here. Right here is your bathroom. You got plenty of height in there. Shower, wet bath. Nice, lots of room. Got a nice big step going up here into the bed. You got your Norcold refrigerator, little freezer here on top. So you got a nice step going up on here. You got a queen size bed, storage on both sides. You got cabinets in the front with LED lights. You got reading lights. You got some windows that open up. You got the fantastic fan, LEDs. So this particular model, we didn't put an AC on top because a lot of guys, you know, they just want a basic camper. We can add an air conditioner. Comes on the vent right here. But here's some lights right here, LEDs. Pretty simple. You got electric. Here's your remote for your electric jacks. This has got the nice Fox landing step that folds up. It's pre-plumbed for gas outlet for barbecue out the back, run off the propane tanks. Nice big grab handle. Got a ladder going up the back. You got your electric awning coming out the back. Storage, access to plumbing right here. So this just folds up. This just folds up and then lifts up. So if you're going to tow something behind your camper, which a lot of guys towing a boat or horse trailer or something. So solid. These are hand built, Grand Oregon. So look at the bolts on the side here. I mean, heavy duty. Here's your batteries go there. You got your twin propane tanks there. Like I said, this particular long box made. Here's your pre-wired for plug-in for your outlets. So remote control for the jacks. You got on this side, you got the bumpers in the front, rubber bumpers for when you back up, you know, it doesn't damage the truck. But it's pretty basic. I mean, you're looking for kind of like I said, a boating guy or a horse trailer guy going out in the country, you know, and needs something basic to sleep in. Works pretty good. So come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guaranty RV.